and welcome back to the channel. Today we are at a lovely lady's house, and as I said, any space that you can find, grow what you would like to see, you can do it. And now we're here with Muriel, and she, as you can see, she is a woman that loves plants, of flowers behind me. This is only a little. So, Muriel, thank you for inviting us to share your passion with plants. So,
You're welcome.
can you share with us how did your garden story start?
I always had a green thumb from young, so it started then, and I would grow different things when I was at a different location. But now I come here now, it's a smaller space, so I still utilize the space to give me plants and even vegetables and stuff in the back,
Oh,
on the
good.
back of the yard.
Say that she was at another location.
When I was
And
younger, and it was a bigger space, but now I'm here, I still have the still passion for growing plants and vegetables and stuff.
right?
So
And yes, and that she's doing it even in her older age. She is still doing it.
now I'm
So
retired.
and she's retired. So you who is retired, do not think that you're just sitting down. Get up and do something. Watch Muriel, and we will see what she's doing with her days. I know she's enjoying it. So show us.
Lovely plants like the jade. I even have some of the dragon fruit that I'm hatching. This is one, and there's another one over there. And I have some desert roses and other plants in this area. Right? Regular plant, sunflower one. I see one come here. Sylvia. And these are some desert roses here. Different color. Some are flowering, and you have these ones. There's a white one, there's a mauve, and there's another, if you see hanging plant there. You have them on the large stem. Well, this one, some people call it a money plant, but you don't call it that. Somebody gives it to me and I plant it. I can plant it here. And these are some more plants here. Yeah, these are some more plants here. You have pawpaw. Then you have some peas. I do a few slit. That's potato. This is a lime tree. And this is a hybrid. And we want those small apple tree, golden apple tree. Then I have a sugar apple tree there with the fashion fruit vine going into it. It has passion fruit. This is a difficult tree here. To get some off of this, off it already. I do got it in. I don't know if it's finished being when it gets there, probably going to fall all the time. And then I have a mango tree in the back. The pumpkin. Um, yeah, I have some strawberry plants. They had a few, but they were young. I mean, small, but I hope the leaves get bigger. I will have a different year where we get a bigger one. Then there's ginger. It is, what is this here? This is the ascension time. Then I have some more plants there. Got like the lemongrass there. I have some mint here too. Papaya trees again. And this is the I can't remember what this is, but it's a red one, and this one is you put the seeds in and stuff. Then there's the pumpkin vine. Look, you're getting some young ones. I don't know who are getting off it, but I'll try at it. And these are the exotic plants that here that I sell them once they're available. Already I sell them, these ones here. Okay. There's some more plants here as well.
You can see she says that she sells some of her plants. So although you're in retirement stage, you can still make money if your hobby or your passion. So this is very good, Muriel, and it's good that you're using the space that you have to get the amount of plants you can, and even if you want more, you're going to find a place to put it.
In a pot.
Yeah.
Look, I take a picture of them. These are another plants in there. There's another even
So every area of Muriel have a plant. This is wonderful. This is beautiful to see.
there's a pineapple plant we plant here too. I planted it growing soil we get. These are things for the kitchen. These ones. I got thyme and different things here. Mm-hmm. If you're interested in anything that I have, you can contact me at 842-9816. You can call me on WhatsApp.
Oh, we just saw Muriel's garden. She's doing a piece of everything. I love that idea that you're not only sticking to flowers or vegetables or anything that decorate the house. She's beautifying and eating whatever she's getting, and it is even to cut down her food bill. She's growing it, and I got a sugar apple tree and a herb that I never saw before, and it smells so lovely. Girl, we are very thankful that you share with us what you're doing on the day. You're not keep sitting home and, as I say, standing home and building away. You're yes, rushing out. Yes.
I appreciate whatever you have done.
You're welcome.
Appreciate it very much.
And I will have Muriel's contacts in the description so that whoever wants a plant or even starting a garden, they can contact her and beautify their space as well. So until next time, keep planting.
Bye.